How to fix Spotify Shuffle Play on Spotify. Today guys, I will show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then when it's opening, just go directly to apps or applications, and here on apps or application you have to search for Spotify. And when you found Spotify, just open it like this and you have to go directly to storage. On storage guys, what you should do, just go to clear data, then click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go to Play Store and update your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.